Today's the day. NBA Draft Lottery, baby. Let's go. We are getting Zion Williamson. I repeat, we are getting Zion Williamson.
We are getting Zion Williamson.
Yo, we better hope that that pick is 1 or 2, or we're gonna be stuck with another Chris, Bender, Leonard, Jackson. Am I right, you guys? Dang, I swear the Charlotte Hornets always get the 12th pick. The Atlanta Hawks got the 10th pick? Mojo 99 is gonna be pissed. What the fuck are you swear to God? Say you swear to God! Number 10!
Atlanta due to the Luka Doncic, Trae Young trade.
Number 10! What the
Had the pick on it.
Flattening of the lottery odds. We were going to see.
There's no way we're getting the 7th pick. Come on, DeAndre Ayton, I'm using you as good luck.
Pick number 6 goes to the Phoenix Suns.
The Phoenix Suns. What? What? We got the number 6 pick? What just happened? What just happened? We got the number 6 pick? Dude, Suns need to be on the phone with Nola right now and offer Ayton the 6th, the next 2 years number 1s for the first pick and the brow. Then draft Morant and go win a freaking title at long last. Hello? Hello? This is Robert Sarver's fault! I swear, never let those kids back into the stadium. I'm done with the NBA. I'm done. I'm done with the NBA. I'm done. The Suns have failed the city of Phoenix and the state of Arizona. Everyone needs to go, period. It's time to tear it down and start from scratch. The Los Angeles Lakers got a top 4 pick. You gotta be kidding me, NBA.
The shock must vanish, so let me try to cite the positive aspects of the 6th pick. There are always sleepers, and the 6th pick is still a high one.
Many players have become great despite their lower draft position. Obviously, talent evaluators often fail. Example, Booker 13, Lillard 9, Curry 7, Thompson 11, Mitchell 13.
Having barely watched the NBA for years, mostly because the Suns have been so bad, couldn't tell you who's left in the NBA playoffs, was excited about possibly getting a top 2 pick and an exciting team. But now we'll go back to ignoring the league. Bye! The New Orleans Pelicans got the first pick in the 2019 NBA draft. The New Orleans Pelicans. The New Orleans Pelicans. What the heck is a Pelican anyways?